Hello everyone, welcome to Hackintosh and Beyond. Today we will talk about a key element in Hackintosh, OSSDT, MEMI2. Have you ever wondered how to manage memory devices in a Hackintosh? This video, is it for you? The acronym SSDT stands for Secondary System Description Table. It's among the ACPI tables defining system hardware and resources. Today, we concentrate on OMM21, a memory device declarable via SSDT. Explanation of the fascinating SSDT meme code. 2 is a way of declaring and configuring memory devices in the system. It serves to define memory blocks. Specific. Additionally, it informs the operating system of their locations and access methods. As demonstrated in this particular code snippet, a device named MEM2 is instantiated and configures 2 distinct memory regions. The first region begins at address 02000, while the second starts at 0 voice 4 plus 20. Each of these memory areas measures 2000 byte and is set up for both reading and writing operations. Why is OSSDT MEM2 important? OSSDT MEM2 is very useful when you need to simulate memory devices or make physical resource adjustments in your Hackintosh. For example, if your system needs to access a specific area of memory to improve performance or to simulate components that are not physically present. It informs the operating system on how to handle these memory regions, making certain that communication between hardware and software happens correctly and seamlessly. This process can enhance stability and prevent compatibility issues, particularly with memory types that Mercosur might not immediately recognize. Practical example of using Hackintosh running and mounting SSDT. Let's see a practical example. Imagine that you are configuring your Hackintosh and macOS is not properly recognizing memory resources. By using an SSDT like this, you can instruct the system to recognize and allocate resources correctly. This is particularly useful in scenarios like Hackintosh notebooks, where power and memory management is sensitive. By using this approach, you have the ability to manually allocate memory blocks to ensure Mercosur accurately identifies them, thereby enhancing performance or enabling functions that might otherwise remain inaccessible. How you can create your own SSDT-MM2 compiling SSDTs in a Sassel or text editor. Creating an SSDT-MM2 is not as complicated as it sounds. You can use tools like a Sassel to edit or compile your own SSDTs. Just follow the code structure we saw at the beginning and customize as per your need. Quick compilation example. What did you do after creating OSSDT? You just need to compile it and put it in your CPI folder, in the FI directory. Don't forget to activate it in the config point list. And that's it. OSSDT MEM2 is an effective way to manage your TOH hacking memory by ensuring macOS correctly recognizes all system resources. This is particularly important for those looking for stability, performance, and correct hardware functionality.
Hello everybody, welcome there. Channel members, this video will be directed to members, okay? Wilton there. One of the channel members also commented on this SSDT here, MEI2. Okay, I didn't know about it at first, right? We only know DMAR that makes this control, but DMAR makes another type of control, right? So really this SSDT there, it really controls ours, the memory resource there, right? The memory banks and much more, right? And also the CPI buses. So I opted in the case, right? So I'm going to show you after you've seen it. It's this video with this explanation that I put for you, okay? That's a brief explanation there. But to grasp what I'm demonstrating here, I'm going to illustrate how to generate your own SSDT in 2 steps, all right? It's quite straightforward, devoid of complexities. we're simply adhering to the standard process, all right? Because it was already in place. The one that Wilton commented on here, this one here, is a standard, okay, that he found on GitHub and everything. So yeah, I'm going to follow that pattern here. I even have some information that I left here. It's in Word here. If you also want, I'll put it in the folder. I'll put it in the folder here. No disagreement, okay? But it's a tab for members, okay? I'm going to leave it here. Oh, support for members, tools, members, okay? I'm going to leave this folder here, okay? In the video, will you withdraw it? So I'm going to do both for PC, PC004, and PCI0, okay? So I have all the explanations here for every code I'm doing, okay? So HID has OSTAU ID too, okay? I have every explanation here. I'll keep this explanation here in the folder, okay? You're going down there. I'm going to leave the two SSDTs that we're going to formalize here in this video. So I'll leave it in this folder here, okay? Actually, they're already here. Oh, okay, they're ready here. This one is for PC0 and the other is for PCI0, okay? But practically they have the same number, change some things, okay? So I'm gonna show it here to you. Oh, to you here, okay? But they kept the standard there, but they're different DSDTs, okay? In fact, I'm even using Wilton's, which he had sent me here. And I'm using his as PCI0, okay? Because mine here is PC00. So we start here with his skin here, okay? This one's Wilton's, she's PCI0, okay? So I'm going to start with her. I'm going to open the folder here. You're going to download the folder there, okay? You're going to follow that one as a standard, okay? Why is a PCI0 like it already in this format? But I'm going to teach you how to get this out of DSDT, okay? I'm just going to pause for a minute, just a minute, guys. Oh, returning here, we'll pick it up here. Oh, okay? Definition block, come over here. We'll only take it so far. Device meme2, it's up to this code opening here, okay? Let's take this guy from up here to here so we can make 11 new SDT. Then copy it, give a Command C or Windows flag, right? For those who have a Windows keyboard, we will come here to Windows flag. Letter N is for us to open a new documentation in ASL, okay? Let's paste this guy we just copied here into PCI0, okay? Everyone does it with their own machine. If your device is PCI0, okay? If it is PC00, you get it from PC00, okay? You take it there. So, okay, come on. We're going to open 3 screens here. It's going to be a little smaller. Let's get this guy here. Oh, 32 fixed memory. Okay, copy it. And then we'll give a Command F here to open it here. Fine. We'll paste it here. And then we'll start the journey here, okay? It's at first the CRS. We're not going to take it now, okay? Let's press enter until the correct number appears here for us, okay? So I leave it here. It's not this one. It doesn't need to appear OSTA03. It's EOID05. We'll take this reference there. The first reference, of course, right? It's just that sometimes he's here. Oh, there's this first reference here that we're going to take. Okay, very simple. Here, oh, we'll see a name. Okay, come down here. Okay, come here. Copy this guy. This closure is up to here. Okay, let's play here what we're creating. Okay, let me just see one thing here that PCI 0, he's a little bit different. Maybe we can leave this one for the end. Okay, but let's put it now. We don't have it. Ok. Vamos dar compare aqui para ver o que está acontecendo. Ok, so you want to see what's going on? Okay, it's a syntax error here at the bottom. We'll still make the closures. Okay, so let's continue here manufacturing our SSDT. Let's do another enter there. Let's look for USTA now. Que memória. Opa. Is it referring to this memory bank there? No, guys. CRS. Sorry, CRS here. But neither CRS nor we are going to put it in. Okay? Because here it already fits in another situation. So we're just going to take Mamure fix here, okay, which is this number referring to it. It may change for you, okay, so you have to see. But it's usually this pattern here, okay? So Okersa, guys, go get this guy, copy him here. Let's paste it, give an enter here, of course. Let's paste him here. Oh. Down here, okay? He's going to open another tab here. All right? Yeah. There is a lack of office information here. Go search with that nomenclature, okay? Member in 32 fixed. There's this other one here, but I got this one from Milton. Okay? Let me see if there's anything else in here. No. CRS is right. So here, guys, for example, I took mine, okay? This one here is motherboard, okay? From the motherboard reference of each system there, of each hardware, right? In your case, then here I took mine, okay? But it's not this one. Oh, Wilton's ODSDT. He's a little different, okay? He's AdiDB, okay? The 03. His reference here in art is 2. Okay, so here it is. It's correct, it's good. So here. Oh, I've already caught this one we're doing, right? Check it out. Okay, we took it. We took the references here. Okay? This one here. Oh, this part here is, it's mine, okay? I ended up taking it here. This here is more for a model, okay? But you can use it that way too, no problem, okay? But then you also have to see which is the correct path, so you don't have the problem of it's not incompatibility, but it's conflict, okay? It can cause some kind of conflict, so you have to get it clean, okay? So here we have already taken the part of AdiBD is a reference to his motherboard. Okay, this one here has nothing to do with mine, it's here. right? OARB, okay, it's a little different, the nomenclature, although, well, that the path is very similar, okay, so it is, but here it is, arrow 3 already changes, right? From PCI 0 to PCI 00. Okay, so we're doing APCI 0 first. Okay, so let's go. We didn't waste much time here. We've already taken this first reference, which is this numbering, okay? The EOID number has to be there too. As we search here, now we go, and I think the reference is CRS2, right? We already put it here. Oh, CRS is here, we put it here. Okay, then she's practically ready here, okay? Now we'll see what there is. Closing error, code error, right? That's too much of a sign, right? So we're gonna eliminate these guys right now, okay? Because here the memory reference is practically half in 2. We are ready for PC in 0, okay? Come on, he made a syntax error here. He's pointing to me in this closure here. Okay then, let me just take a look here. If you need to take something away, I will take it away from here, according to the other videos that I have explained to you, so that you can start to understand how MassSL works, okay? Always come here where he's pointing. See if anything opens here. Oh, something came up here, guys, so the deal is here, okay? So we'll see if suddenly, not changing the code, not compromising this memory code, this path here, okay? It's important that we don't compromise these guys here, okay? So how is he pointing here and moving here for us? So the deal is here at closing, okay? Maybe if I take this off, let me see if he continues. There is this code closure here. It needs to be opened for this reading here. Oh, precisely from the motherboard. In the case of Wilton's here, right? Then I'll do mine. So let's point it out again here. Let's see if we can remove this guy and put an end to the problem. Oh, now there's a closure on the line. Oh, a syntax error here on the final line. It's a premature error. So he's asking to take 11. Specific closure here. Oh, it's this one here. Oh, you see? Oh, he pointed it out here again. So here's the problem. Let's see if we eliminate this guy and solve it. Let me see if it opened here 16 in 2. Okay, then you're giving us a reference. Let's see if you need another one. Funny thing is, you shouldn't have taken it off, right? Putting it here, I'm going to put another one to see if whenever you give some kind of bow like this here, you put more closure here at the end. Okay? We're taking it out here. Okay? I needed to add 2 more here. Okay? It appeared there and we zeroed here. Okay? So yeah, that's the play, alright? This is how to manipulate inside the master. SL, okay, I'm going to save this one here on the table, right? I'm going to come here and failing save yes, okay? Is it? Let me see if it's right here on the desktop because I was saving it in another folder here for me. I'm going to put SSDT trace. Mimi too. Okay, I'm going to put it like this because if there's something on the table there, we already know. 360, okay? Then we change this guy. Oh, let's save it here. Oh, don't forget to put it in AML here, okay? A CPI machine linguage binar win, okay? Save it here. Let me see if she saved there. PC 0 ready, okay. It opened here, okay, there's no error. It's ready there, okay. Now we're going to do APC 00, okay, which is from my machine here. I even ended up passing ORAB here and there, right? Strange, but this is just a reference for us, okay? So what I'm doing now, I'm going to move it here to the folder as well to have a little better reference. I'm going to close Milton's ADSDT here, and let's move on to my DSDT now, right? This one's mine. Remembering that there are more videos there of how dumping the CPS, right? I show it in practically all videos, okay? So this one here is still that I did the dumping there. In the other videos, there is already a reference to the hacking tool. It's very easy there. Oh, I'll open it here for you. Oops, come here quickly and come here, utilities. Okay, oh, the CPI dumping. Okay, dumping is the CPI, right? Then you click here. Oh, make a little folder called CPI here and transfer all these guys there, okay? Just choose here and it will already do the dumping there. Okay, it's very easy, so open here. Oh, mine is already PC00, okay? It's quite different from his, isn't it? And I'm going to open my PC00 here. This is a reference, okay guys? You can use it, you can. Okay, even the one he downloaded there also works, right? Which I showed you here. Can also be used, but it's not entirely the reference of your machine, okay? So you have to see that too, okay? Generally, oh, I pulled it from right here. Oh, I ended up pulling it from mine. It's at PCI 0. Then you saw that DSDT has already changed, right? So that's the cool thing we're doing here, okay? We take the reference here from the original DSDT of the machine that is extracted there. So there are already some differences there. The reference to motherboard, right? For PCI bus is there, and memory bank too. So let's do mine here. In this case, it's PC00. I came here in the middle too, okay? Command C to copy. I'm going to come here to DSDT. I'm going to give a command N to another documentation here for us. I'm going to paste this guy here. I took this guy, right? Okay. And now we're going to take it here. I'm going to give a control F control, not command F here to open. The reference, oh, the memory of 32 fixed. Okay, so let's go first. Let's always find the number, the first thing, the first reference here. Oh, PC00, it takes a little while, but then, oh, it's here. Oh, she looks a lot like. With the PCE0 reference, it's also there, but here I took it from mine. It's clear that it's ORB. You see ORB. So this reference from my board is mine, mother. I put it there in the PCI 0 demonstration, okay, but it's not. I'm going to change this one. I'm going to put the one I made here. Oh, okay, I'm going to leave it in the folder for you in Discord. Yeah, come on. So here we've already found the reference, right? So I'm going to come here. Oh, in name. Okay, then come here, oh, in this last closure here, okay, which has a lot of reference from memory here in the region, okay? These are regions that inaccessible, okay? So if you don't have this SSDT, then you can't access some things and it can conflict your machine. It might not work properly, right? So this SSDT that Wilton found there is very interesting. I didn't know, to tell you the truth, I didn't know this SSDT, okay? So there's a repository on GitHub that he found. Maybe that's coded there. He created it, okay? He created with reference there and it works great. I'm using it here now. So I'm making this video for you, okay? So let's copy this guy right here. Let's put him right here, okay? Let's do one with the father here. He's going to end the line there. Let me see here. Oh, okay, it's down here, right? Okay, but we still have to find a part of it. I forgot the acronym here, SRC, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Wait, come on, let's enter more here so we can search. It's not that CRS, is it? Actually then, but it's not that reference yet, okay? It's the CRS alone there, it's this guy here. Oh, okay, when you see it here. Oh, name CRS. Okay, we're gonna get these memos here. Oh, even here in this closure. Okay. Let me see if you need anything else. We can put it here in the memory. Come here in this part here, this closure. It's also used here as a closure within the DSDT. Okay. So come here, copy this guy. Let's come here at the code opening. Oh, you can come right here up front. There's no problem. Okay. Enter there. Let's paste it here. Okay. It's gonna get a little messy, but okay. We can see it there. Okay. Let's see now what things will be like here. Oh, he's pointing at the end. Remember the premature mistake here, right? You guys will always come here. Oh. It's okay that he's not pointing. Oh, he's not pointing. Oh, you're clicking here and nothing happens, right? That's when we go crazy. Now what? So we're going to come here. Oh, let's enter here. Okay? Sometimes, if you give enter, it won't, right? But we can find a way here. Wait a minute. Come here with the down arrow. Put a closure here. Give another enter. Put another closure, one more closure, enter, one more closure, then you can put about 5 here, more or less, okay? Just so we can have 11 references on what's happening, and okay, wow, it worked, so okay, it's finished. You're seeing 5 closures here, okay? Then she fixes this whole mess when you save, and there you go, APC00 ready, okay? So here is all the reference from my banks, right? From memory. The reference is there in the PCI, right? Of all the PCIs on my motherboard. This reference here is from the motherboard. So there are all these type of reference here, or the ID, OARB, okay? It's all a reference to my motherboard there, the memory banks too, okay? This helps control a lot of things. You saw the video where I formalized an explanation for you, and that's exactly what the video is explaining to you, okay? Yes, it is a very important SSDT. I don't know why he's not there to download it for everyone, right? I think it's something very specific, right, to be doing. So that's why I'm here showing you that it can still be done from your DSDT. Okay, that's pretty cool too. Now we're gonna save him here, okay? OPC00. Oh, let me just click here, but failing CMS, okay? We put SSDT there. I draw 2 memo 2, and this one here is PC00, PC00. Here. The CPI linguistic minarding on the desktop. Let's see if it appears. It usually does. Oh, great. I'll leave it beside PCI 0. I'm gonna paint these guys blue just so I can get an idea here. Okay. Close here is still saved there, right? This here was from the reference, and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the folder here. Oh, P60. You saw that it already made a difference, right? I put this here as a model, okay? This PC0, I'm gonna get it out of here. I'm going to keep it here. We did it here in the video, okay? this here was just the model, but this here is the reference of my motherboard. Oh, you can see that here its reference is different. Oh, ADB, it's here, it's UARB is different. It's the reference of my motherboard, so can give some problem there. Is conflict, something like that, because the numbering also changes, right? So it's not right. This is not correct here, okay? I'm even going to get her out of here because actually it's this guy here. Oh, that we just did there, okay? So, yeah, it's different. I'll leave it here in the folder, okay? And these here, you will notice that they are the same as what we made here now. Oh. You're just a little more organized, aren't you? It's just the same, see? So that's it, it's here, okay? I'll leave her here too. Oh, I'll replace her, okay? What did we do now? This guy here, I'm going to be doing some tests. I'm going to erase him here, okay? I'm going to make this little folder. I'm going to leave it here in this agreement. Oh, it's in this tab here. Oh, tools for members, okay? So I'm going to leave it here. There are some videos. There are a lot of tools here for members, okay? There's Open the Fire here, which I use a lot, okay? But I left it just for the members, and I'm going to leave this folder here with the explanation, okay? I formalized these explanations here. Oh. Why each code? Because OHID is OSTA. So here are all the reasons why he indicates what he does. There is ORB2, so he checks here. Okay? If the call we make is really correct, right? Via code, and when you enable this SSDT on the system, it has to. It really worked accordingly, okay? So this is very important. I'm going to leave these guys here too. Okay, I'm going to leave them here in this folder. You're going to see this drawing there. It's in the video. Okay, guys, so I know this video is long, okay? Because I can't leave the explanation too vague either, right? So that you really understand the PRO principle for what it serves, right? Yeah, I know people like to understand what they're doing. That's important for that. We now created this channel with the members part to have this type of video, right? Because this type of video is not 11 videos that people will watch like this. Wow, that's exciting. Okay, so it's a learning video like this, deeper. So here you go. I came here on your Wi-Fi. Is it according to the video at the beginning? That I give the reference that you already have to put it in your NA here. I'm going to put it in Clover, okay? Oh, the CPI, okay? And here I'm going to get APCI 00, okay, APC 00 that I made here. Oh, it's already here. Okay, so oh, it's already here. Oh, M2 is the same. Okay, so nothing changes there. Oh, everything is okay. Then you restart the machine, okay? OpenCore is also the same thing, just give a CleanSync shot at the end there. And okay here. I'm using Clover, but I use both, so I don't have a problem with that, do I? Now after restarting your machine and everything else, okay? That reboots the machine there, and okay, after it rebooted. Now, we'll see if the system really works, okay? How do I know that this SSDT is having any effect on my machine? Okay? If it doesn't activate, for example, on IOReg, I'll even leave the link there for you to download. There's IOReg there, which is very interesting, okay? There's this tool there, it's good, it's very good. We have to have this tool to have some references. And this is where I know if my SSDT Man 2 is working, okay? So here we can type there man 2, okay? she'll point it right here for you. Oh, if it's not here, guys, not really there. It conflicted with something that when assembling the SSDT, if you follow what I'm saying here, there's no error, okay? Look, it gives you all the reference here. Oh, you can see that it's working perfectly there. There are all the CPIs there, the correct syntax, okay? And here she points, oh, I'm going to open my SSDT PC00 here, okay? This reference here, oh, PMP0C02 is here. Oh, PMP0602. Okay, Final 5, Final 3, it's here too. Starwid. Okay, loaded perfectly into the system. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Then I'm going to show a part here too that I think is cool. And in OpenCore, I end up not having this type of situation. Okay, well, I'll show you here. Oh, memory bank. Alright. Now here, oh, everything is loaded, guys. Yeah, it's very difficult for this to happen. Okay. And it's here. Oh, all the drives. Okay, the HD. The drive is loaded. The RTC, SMC. Everything loaded here in the system. That's pretty cool, okay? So that's it, guys. I'll leave the links all in the description, okay? And I'm going to leave this folder here in Discord, okay? I'll zip her up here. Oh, I'll zip her up here. You'll see her like this, okay? And I'm going to leave it here, okay? I'll leave it here. Oh, in member tools, okay? Only members have access to this tab here in our disagreement there. All right, everyone, remain under God's protection. Peace and blessings until we meet in the next video.